Today starts part 2 of a 3-part series. So here we go. So I really liked that last painting I did with the blue and the gold. So we're going to continue along that same color scheme. Maybe even arrange the colors in about the same way and just see how it develops differently this time, because you never know. I mean, each time, there's no way to replicate one of these. I can sort of predict what things are going to do, but there's always surprises, and a lot of times it's fun surprises. I really like the last one, so let's just try it again and see how maybe we could make another group of 3 that will go together really well, sort of like my other triptych that I just did with the 30 by 40 canvases and frames. Those, it was all the same color scheme, but they were arranged in a different order each time. And maybe these will be in the same order, and maybe they'll still be very different. I have a feeling. Go with the darker indigo at the top instead of the ultramarine this time, just to even out my paint sources, because I don't want to run out of the ultramarine. So this is the indigo mixture again, which is my ultramarine blue mixed with a little bit of quinacridone magenta. And in my opinion, this mixture, I've mixed it before, and this time it's got a little too much magenta in it. It's a little too purple for my liking, but I'm hoping as it dries, that will tone itself down some. It's pretty purple right now. I like it to be more of like almost a navy blue. I'm looking for like a deep night sky blue. Oh, I just swiped half my paint off the canvas. That wasn't very smart. So I have some more indigo, some more ultramarine. Then I'm going to put in, I think I'm going to put my brown on top. So I'm going to hold off on that. And I will do my lighter colors. So I am being so not careful and messy today. I like to have ribbons of the background color in the swipe so that they feel incorporated. So here comes my brown. Okay, time to swipe. This time we'll go down first. I think I've had too much coffee today. I'm a little on the shaky side with the swipe. I usually don't have that problem. And down first again. I'm not sure what I think about these things that are happening. This one definitely is too purpley. Say that right now I'm just mad at myself because I realized that what I thought I was doing of the indigo in the background was actually my first version of indigo, and I made one that was bluer and less purple, but then I ended up going back to my first version, putting it here, so it's more purple than I would like, even more so than what I thought to begin with, because I used the wrong indigo. So I'm mad. But also, like, I don't like it because of that, but I know also sometimes you can't see the positive in things when things don't go the way you expected. So I'm trying to be patient, and I'm going to, you know, give it a second to grow on me. I sort of want to tilt that way because this is boring. But I'm not going to. I'm going to leave it alone. Okay. I'm still a little up in the air about this guy. I mean, purple and yellow look good together, and the brown tones it down a little bit. It doesn't even look that purple in the camera, but man, in real life, it looks so purple. But it's got some cool stuff. I sort of like those white cells there. That's different. That's pretty right there. It's just funny because I'm looking in the lens here, and I'm also looking down at the painting, and it's two totally different colors. So I don't know how I'm going to be able to correct that. Maybe in editing I can, I don't know. So we'll look at it once it dries without the glare. We'll get a close-up shot from the side here. That spot's still wet. You can see the shimmer, or well, the sheen of the wet paint there. But the rest is almost dry. So once it's dry, we'll get it on an easel and outside for you to see. Construction noise in this next clip was so bad I had to re-record the audio, but this is what I said. So excuse the child. This one really grew on me once I had it out in the sun. Wow, I just love the warmth of the brown competing with the high contrast of the gold and the purple indigo color. Yellow is officially opposite on the color wheel than purple is, so that's why these colors really pop together. But the browns here, the brown really tones it down. Excuse the construction noise and the children, I said. But anyways, I really like it. I'm really happy with it. I think close up, it really has some strong stuff going on. I really like that the horizon is interrupted by this white stripe that comes down and is mimicked and repeated by this one that goes up here. I like the white cells here and how they are compared with the dark cells down here. And on this side, the blue cells that are ringed with white, which is also super cool. So yeah, I dig it. I hope you do. Let me know what you think. Hey, did you know that I have a Patreon now as well as a Teespring account? You can support me by becoming a patron, or you could buy some merch. There's a banner down below where you can buy t-shirts, hoodies, tank tops, kids shirts, also coffee mugs. Also, if you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe and click the bell if you want to get notified of my next videos. And as always, thanks for watching. Bye.